Good morning guys, hello baby here, welcome to this vlog at Very Special. And guys, I thank God for the gift of life. So it's early morning as you can see right there. Anyway guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. So this is how my house looks like, and today it's another day which God have granted us. So I supposed to take my brother to school. Apart from that, right there, that's the maze. Hey. Mom. Wow. That's the maze con, and he was talking with vernacular language with my brother. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, so today, Mama, I will take your son to school because yesterday there's somebody asked me, you escort the rest of your brother and sister to school. Where is another one? Because another one is studying in university and the rest is in primary school. So today I escort him. The following day I'll make a shopping for him. Alright?
Yes.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Guys, if you heard from my mama, please subscribe guys.
Yeah.
Love is for free. Alright, so guys, this is water, and right now I think because of dry season, right now the water is reduced. You can see it's going slow. Oh guys. Well guys, so let me take you outside and see what is going on. Anyway, this is our small kitchen. This is how it looks like, and actually there's the fire. So maybe my mama they want to put something there. Wow, that's my mama. Hey. Alright. Anyway, let me take you outside. Bruno, you good? You good? Today we'll take you outside. You walk a little bit and then you come back. Say hello. Say hello, Bruno. Bruno. In case you don't know, that's my puppy's name. And I love my puppy, guys. That's my pets. So right now I want to prepare myself. Actually, it's a long distance by itself. And here and there. At the same time, I'm going to fill the gas here because it's long distance by itself. And probably let's see how things go. Let's see. Wow, I have my birds here, but it's natural birds. It's not my birds that I kept. Hey, it's right there, guys. Hey. That's blessing by itself. So today I want to ask my brother to arrange things himself in order, because some few minutes we wanna left the village. So for those people who asked me yesterday, where's the rest of your brother? Why don't you went to school? Because he's studying in university. The rest of my brother studying in primary. So today their school have been open today, and they want to go to school right now. Actually, he was in the first year, guys. Imagine. Wow. So let's go, guys, and see what is going on. Wow. So guys, in case you're new here, this is what I'm calling home. This is where I'm born and raised, guys, with this beautiful, amazing view that you see here. And maybe in future my house will be right there on that banana plantation, right there in future. So that's the reason why I built the toilet here. My mom's or my dad's home is right there, so it can serve as public way. Whoa. Mama kana kimokore na rope. Ora matafari na atemero simosokino.
Niliambia mtu wake akamwambia.
Oh.
Na ramushi hata hicho mtu tukaini kama buya kama alimwambia.
Oh. Guys, to be honest, there is one guy make for me bricks, and we postponed. We're supposed to use the outside. We use the blocks, but the money, mama, that I paid for that guy, $200. I can go and take that bricks because of the maybe expenses here and there. Imagine, mama, I can deliver from there, paying people, buying my own firewood, and blocks. You buy one after all. No burning, no breakage of anything, you know. So yale matafari tutakuwa tunatumia kukata vichumba ndani. Wow guys, so I'm trying to tell my mama the remaining bricks, so he can give me like 6,000 bricks. The money that I paid for him right now. So the rest, I think this month, by God's grace, I'll go to Nairobi, ma'am. I'll buy for 700 blocks, and I'll bring it at home here. You will see. So right now, on today's videos, ma'am, I'll take your son to school, which is my brother, guys. That I was hosting him yesterday on my videos, and we had maybe challenges that he faced when he went to school, you know, here and there. Let's go, guys. So my mom, she was sitting there. Imagine, this is an incredible story, guys. Even chicken drink water. Look right there, guys. Right there. Hey, drinking water. Wow, guys. So, for my new subscriber, this is my grandma. That's my dad's home. Imagine, we stay like near as a family member, you know. So maybe people will ask me, hello baby, what's up man? Today it's another day, and I'm shoot these videos on Wednesday morning, so I'm rushing, guys. I'm hurry because I need him to pack the luggage and everything. We went to border town. Actually, in Tanzania, he buys sardines here and there, and then after that, we see how our journey started. But hopefully by tomorrow, I'm trying to make for him some shopping, serious shopping, which can take him 4 months. You know, from now up to April, because he was staying alone. Nobody, maybe like they're maybe in company, eating here and there. They are living alone in one house, and that shopping that I'm going to make, it's a huge shopping for him. Actually, today we can't manage to go with that shopping, but because he has some luggage here and there, like maize bag, you know, himself. So probably I'll do it tomorrow, and guys, maybe you will see on tomorrow's videos. So I want to take you around and see how beautiful cows. Wow, let's go. For me, I must show you every day. Say hello. So this is my mom's stones. I can climb here. So wow, guys. Look, guys. This is what I was struggling for here. And guys, I'm on the process of buying material here and there. So actually, we thank God, we thank Almighty God. Oh, look right there, guys. That's my mom material. Actually, you know, and by all my struggling, I want to put my family on the next level. Wow. it's a good thing to live with my mom here and there. Wow. This is my mom's cow. Imagine, she was working to people's farm, buying only one cow right there, and then that cow give birth to this one, and then that cow give birth to that one. Imagine, I'm telling you. Imagine, mama work at people's farm, buy this cow, a small calf, grazing them until when it's coming big, getting birth, like getting pregnant, giving birth to that right there that I'm showing you, and also at the same time other one there. Imagine, that's how my mama works so hard. Guys, sorry, today I'm not feeling okay because the flu catch me, because right now you are in dry season, so the dust is everywhere. If you're riding a motorbike, sweeping, dust is everywhere, I'm telling you. So that's the reason why maybe, guys, you had maybe my voice changing, but in good way. So that's a normal flu. But I'm going to Tanzania. I will buy ginger and lemon, so I squeeze in hot water, I drink. Maybe probably by tomorrow you never had that problem. So let me see my brother, and I told him to pack the things as we go. Let's see my brother. I wanna open my puppy going outside. Let me open for you. You go outside. If you keep quiet, I open for you. No. You don't want to go outside. Because I don't want to camera. Wait, I want to open it to go outside. I will train this dog, look. Right, say hello.
Hello.
Today, did you prepare?
Yeah.
Okay, apart from that, hold for me. Come on. I want to open you, you go outside. Wait, Bruno. Cara, não abre esse vídeo. Wait. Wait till you go outside. I left you. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Okay. Go. They're making noise. Go. Yes, Bruno is making noise here and there. Go. Go. So that's my Bruno going there, playing with that cow. So sometime, guys, probably when I'm at around at my home here, I take my puppy outside. I'm telling you the reality. Bruno, come on. Okay, they are eating some stuff here. And my puppy, guys, it's growing big. All right. Apart from that, so today it's a day where I want to tell my brother right now to pack things. because the time was so limit. Anytime from now, we are heading to Tanzania. Anytime from now, because like now I want to buy for him sardines as we go. Mkwari, paki vitu. Guys, welcome to my brother's house here. Okay, pack things as we go. So guys, don't mind, maybe people ask me, this is where my brother stay, and yeah, you have already packed your things. Okay. Oh guys. Hey. Namba ko man yung mukol. Ay, tako di suki ko naman. Okay. Okay, you're packing things? Okay, pack things as we go. Oh, this is his small bag. All right. So after this, we're heading to Tanzania. Actually, right now, we want to buy for you sardines because you're taking like, let me say 10 kg of maize. We go with it. By tomorrow, we'll see how maybe things goes.
Right.
Yes, I'm supposed to make for you some shopping for taking you long time, 4 months.
Right.
And I wish you better education. Don't left anything behind.
All right.
Where will you from? Huh? What am I to? Okay. So you know, from now, let's go to Tanzania. Okay. Give me time as I take I want to take shower. Like I want to bed. And then we see what's next. But we're supposed to go to Tanzania. We buy sardines and tomatoes. Or do I like tomatoes? You use tomatoes and onions. By tomorrow morning, at time like this, I'll make you some shopping.
Okay.
Yes. So we had one of our fans supporting you in terms of shopping. How are you going to say maybe for the person who made it possible?
Thank you.
Come on this light because
Thank you a million times for supporting me. Yeah.
And remember, apart from that, we have another supporters paying for you a rent.
Okay.
Yes, I will pay for you rent and then food. So your work is to eat and study.
Yeah.
You work smart. Why not? What are you missing for? Imagine. So right now, if you are going right now,
Yeah.
you will come maybe April, long holiday. And then from there, maybe you come and maybe find your maize is growing, and then in the July, June, you harvest, you know. So I'm trying to keep myself to make sure that you get better education. And which course did you take in?
Education.
In secondary school, which subject did you maybe pass? Right now you're taking education for which subject and which subject?
Maths, physics.
Maths, physics.
Yeah.
Why don't you be an engineer?
The qualification for engineering, I didn't pass. So,
Okay, they need to pass physics,
yeah.
maths, and
Only those two.
even right now you pass maths and physics in secondary.
No, the class points were low. For
Class?
engineering.
Class point.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
But I'm sure if you done those two subjects and it's very, very tough, most of the students fear that subject. Maths and physics, guys, I'm telling you. Physics, related to the concept of mathematics. Mathematics also have calculation. Physics calculation. You know, maybe calculate maybe the distance from point A to point B. All that stuff. It's related to physics also. All right. I see some books. So my plan was, but let me see. You must be an engineer, but it's according to your course that you choose. I'm not saying it's bad. If you finish that course, the year of 2027, by God's grace, I'm telling you, free of charge, you get job in government. You wait. Because I know most of the time people fear that subject. Those hard subject. Because for the lazy, maybe people went for history and theory, Kiswahili and geography, you know. Like if you are not maybe biology, chemistry and physics, those 3 subjects, I'm telling you guys, you never lose your job. And for me, I wish you all the best. I wish you all success. You just work hard. Imagine even right now, I make for you shopping for only taking you 4 months because you're living alone. Wow, that's my part. So by tomorrow, I will come and fill for you a gas. All right? Because last time you told me your gas is went off and all stuff. But when you reach there, you can buy a jiko. You know? For meanwhile, when the gas went off and you doesn't have money to fuel the gas, you can use the jiko. You know? And you know the implication of the jiko, disadvantage. Yesterday, I've already mentioned on that. Right? So for now, let me take shower. Right now, so because the time was so limited in our village here, and then maybe you say goodbye to your mom. I know you miss your family, but don't focus about our family. Just focus on education, and all shall be going to good, you know. Okay. Yes. So guys, from now, I want to take my shower, guys. Probably to see what next, guys. Imagine there's sacks of maize here. We're covering by polythene paper because at night maybe it's gonna rain anytime, guys. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, right now, so it's time like to leave from my home here with my brother. Actually, we're heading to Tanzania, so we want to make some shopping, guys. At the same time, I want to say thank you so much for taking me to 6K subscriber. I really appreciate for the love and support, guys. You know, it's not easy, guys. This is a tough journey, guys. So right now, let's do it, guys. Wow. Hey, Bruno is growing big. Hey. Yes, I have brother. Kada yai papa kogo. Mama, right now we are going to Tanzania. So we're going to Tanzania to buy sardines and let's go. Mama, bye. Bye. But we are coming right now after Tanzania. Guys, I'm telling you, it's so tough. Do you know how to ride? No. Why? I don't. Guys, this is a tricky situation. We don't know how to ride. Yeah. Right. So let me take control. Guys, imagine both of my brother don't know how to ride. Even our last brother don't know how to ride a bicycle. So guys, that's how we go. Let's go, guys. So actually, guys, we are leaving home right now, so we're heading to Tanzania right now, guys. Hey. Our time, guys, it's crazy. We're fully outside. All right, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. These are mixture videos. Sometimes I'm doing a traveling vlog. Oh, that's how my neighbors looks like. Hey, wow guys, this video, it goes up to border town, I'm telling you. Up to border town. Up to border town. The guy is making bricks here. Let's go. Wow, it's a bright day, as you can see, so we're fully outside. Hello baby. The sharp corner. Alright, it is what it is. Imagine guys, that's how my village looks like. And guys, on my today's vlog, it's a continuation. So it starts from here up to border town, from border town up to Tanzania, you know. But it's a hectic one, guys. You can't film the video in border town, like in border, between border of Kenya and Tanzania. You can't film there. But if you pass the border or the migration place, you can film, guys. Have a shop there. But for me, what do you think? I escort you up to Migori, and then because tomorrow morning I have a long journey, I want to bring for you some shopping. Alright? So guys, on today's vlog, guys, actually I'm escorting my brother to school, but tomorrow I will start the journey by using this motorbike. Oh man, we have the school here, known as Achiever School. So probably, let's see guys, how things go. Oh man, it's so hot here. Wow. We keep grinding, guys, hard. That's my brother. If you don't know him, go and watch my yesterday videos. I was posting on my channel, and he mentioned 1, 2, 3 some challenges here and there. Wow. Guys, from home we go and make shopping in Tanzania because somehow the currency is cheaper and all stuff, you know. We have a dump site here, guys, but I don't know the people who are living here how they are staying with these dump sites, because at times it's smelling bad, I'm telling you. Look guys, it's an entrance, and the fact thing, it has the exit and entrance. We almost, guys, to meet the tarmac road, just here. Oh my God. Let's go. Goats are grazing right there. a tarmac road, guys. Bumps there. I'm telling you guys, students are going to school, guys. Look, they're full of bars. Yes, I'm going right there. Back to school, man. That's my Roman Catholic church. Telling you, construction material. Wow, so right now we are heading to Boira town. Right now. Beautiful, amazing view. Hey. Okay. Whoa. Guys, I'm telling you, now what is I remember? Guys, I'm telling you sometime, motorbike are means of transport here. You know? Look right there, guys. That's a petrol station. But I was confused with my brother. He don't know how to hold the camera, guys. But anyway, all is well. Look, kids are going to school. That's a tuk-tuk right there. We have the maize cone here. Right. So if you don't know, guys, where you are is in border town. It's located in the border of Kenya and Tanzania. Wow. Business solo. Whoa. At the far end, we have the police post here. It's one police station right there. If you are a criminal, you'll be caught in Spania, border town, and they'll be in jail. Slow, isn't it? Oh my God, that's a Tanzanian car. I'm telling you. Look again. Imagine even in town you have goats, guys. Look. Right there you have the bank, cooperative and equity. If you want maybe to transact money, you wanna transact right there. Whoa! Have chairs there. Let's go. Hey. Amazing view. Guys, I'm trying to capture a 360 angle. That's how we go. Blocks, guys, right here. Tank. Telling you. And guys, I'm driving at my own pace here and there. That is it. When I cross the border town, I post my video. So right now I'm in Kenya. Hey, Mercedes Benz, man, I'm telling you, Japanese machine. Wow. Let's go. Look at this. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, guys. Whoa. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We have jam here and there, but it is what it is. Let's go, let's go. I'm almost to hit the border town. Right now, I supposed to cross up to Tanzania, guys. So they can't allow me to shoot the video, guys. I'm telling you. You see right there, right there. Let me pause. Guys, finally, guys, we are in Tanzania right now. Here. This is how Tanzania looks like, and we are heading to the marketplace. I'm telling you guys, this is Tanzania, Zakaria Airbus. Woo! Let's go. They're selling banana right there. I park my bike here, so I'm taking you to this side here. So for the shopping, don't fear anybody here. So I'm going to buy for you some sardines, which can keep pushing you like only today. Tomorrow, I'll make a banger surprise for you. Are you ready? Yeah. For me, I wish you success. Nothing changed. So we're heading this way, guys. We normally come to make some budget here. So right now where you are, guys, it's Tanzania. If you don't know, maybe you're watching this video for the first time. This is what we're calling Tanzania. Hey, business everywhere. Welcome. Let's go. You know, right now it's back to school. You see some bags? Yeah. People flow with business. They're selling clothes. Right. So let's try. I think sardines for 5,000 Tanzanian money. It can keep pushing you. Right. Let's go. It's Tanzania, guys. Let's go. Wow, guys, want to buy sardines here. Huku. Wapi? Kule huku. Pina viror haki ya Mungu. Shambani. Salamu. Nanga. Yani nakuonyesha hadi vidondo unavyo mwilini. Shimboro chance. Tapi mbona ni vimena? Za kura tu.
Za ngapi kasuku?
Kasuku ni shinga?
300.
Haya mweke isatambi haiko posa mrivera na rako tole.
Sasa hivi giza inafungwa dagaa itakukosta.
Mweke mbili.
Alafu hii imekauka vizuri.
Guys, the small fish. Nana somena or sardines. I think 2 is enough for you. Abinombe rago sukumeni. Si dagaa utakuna kula kila siku.
Alafu hapo unaenda unatoa au unafanya?
Natoa naweka kwenye simu ama laptop.
Alafu kisha maliza.
Sasa mimi neka YouTube. Wata sura kishaenda Amerika kitambo wazungu walikuoche kwa nini unapima dagaa? Wewe mtu asije kutisha kwamba aliendaga Amerika. Ambia hata mimi nishaenda Amerika. Lakini si kitu mbaya.
Sio kwa mbaya. Mbona wenyewe tunawaona?
Hivi YouTube na TikTok ipi inalipa?
Zote zinalipa, hadi Facebook inalipa.
Wewe hapo YouTube inakulipa au bado?
Yani lipa.
Kwa mwezi
inafuatana sana bidii yako. Venye umeweka
Unapata bidii ya kazi.
venye umeweka video nyingi imekupatia hela.
YouTube ukifikisha ngapi unaanza kulipa?
1,000. Watu 1,000.
TikTok ni na watu wengi, hadi kisha watu sitini.
Sasa nyang'ang'ana na TikTok bwana. Wewe una penye unaweza. Mimi nina penye siwezi. Sasa TikTok.
Wewe kama unaweza TikTok.
Fanya.
Unaweza mambo ya YouTube. Wezi mambo ya TikTok.
So you pay the money.
Anafanyia haya kufanya vitu kwa vitu anarusha.
Yake ni ya kudance.
Dance, angalia mtu anacheza arushe. Tunaweka na mfuko.
Unatumia jina gani YouTube?
Unajuaje?
YouTube unatumia jina gani?
Hello baby official. Guys, I have here 10 USD and I want to make shopping from Tanzania. Kuna bando? Leta nikuoneshe. Andika hizi hela ni za kwako kati. Leta uncle. Mara simu yako haionyeshi kitu. So guys, this guy is asking me about YouTube and he was doing TikTok.
Change 600 ongeza 30.
Why ina shida wewe kata change yako?
Namwambia
Huyu.
hata 600 kasipendia.
Kumbe biashara si 600 baki 400.
Kata na change 30.
Bora tariba mbumushuko. So guys, we want to buy tomato.
Hai, zile chata kikuonekana.
Nani huyu?
Ngoja mimi niwauzie.
Tusaidie sasa. Urongo hembaka uoboha.
Uongo yako si mingi. Mimi nataka sema hiki jana.
Utachanganya anti. Zimeiva na mbichi.
Kwa hiyo nimeanza na hizo za kuiva. Nichukue mbichi.
Ataenda ika kwa
Za
nyumba.
shilingi ngapi anataka?
Watu rabime karatasi hicho la tabu.
Ni mbichi.
Sio chisira. Ataenda mna penye anauza. Asijua anaenda ku.
Tano. Tunaenda. Nilikuwa nataka nikushtue. Haya tumemuongeza kama moja lecho. Kuna ubaya mafungu matano. Zinakukata.
Zinakukata? Ona harusi ametoka kwa matenga pale zitamkatia.
Ndio mama Robin.
Mtole tu yenye umeongeza tu asilalamiki.
Hatujamuongeza mafungu matano.
Sikukuta labda
kwa pesa ya Kenya 30 anauza.
Hiyo shingapi?
30 mara 5. Shingapi?
30 times 5 ni 150.
Sasa 30 mara 5. Wewe,
Ni hivyo? Mafungu matano. What next? Tomorrow I bring for you cooking oil. So it's time to go back home. So let's go. Nitakuja Jumamosi nikufungulie. Hai. People are watching right there, guys. It's time to go back. I think I could buy sandal. When do unauza? Yeah. Unasemaje? Unauzaje hizi? 3,000. Tamuhishindi. Za Kenya ni 150, si ndio? Ita mwenye anajua change. Sitaki nitoke ujuseme nimekuibia. Ita mwenye anajua change. Njoo msaidie huyu. Sitaki nije nitoke mseme nimemwibia hela.
Ndio chukua na live za Vodacom sasa. Ili uonyeshe na live za Vodacom au watu
Kuna mtu. The 38. Take this. I think this one for my mama taking maybe shower with this one. Si ni 150 jamani? Ametuambia 3,000 za Kenya ni 150, si ndio? Ni shilingi ngapi?
Sasa hivi.
Badisha pale hivi sio mbaya.
Haina shida, mpe hela.
Badisha pale kwa bila kurudisha Tanzania.
Ama fanya hivi mtoto. Chukua tu hizo, acha kusumbuka. Wewe piga kazi. Let's go. Hiyo ya juu sasa utakunywa maji.
Wewe na huku bana.
Yeah. Nishanunua viatu gani? I think it's time to go back home, and I hope you have already prepared yourself.
Yeah.
So when you reach back home, nirengota mena wichenchiani.
Titi siri, anga na mbusi.
Tangu wichenchiani.
20.
20 pene kukuru. So I made for shopping for $10 for only today, but tomorrow I'll come. Alright, so let me take my bag. Guys, right now you're heading home. Oh, they're selling chicken, guys, right there. Let's go back home. So right now, guys, where you are, it's Tanzania for you. This is Tanzania for you guys. Look, amazing view everywhere. I'm telling you. Nothing changed, but maybe country and all stuff. They're selling beds, tall building, man. Oh. Imagine I came in Tanzania with no passport, with no nothing. Guys, finally we are back in our country, and actually right now we're almost to be back home and pick our luggage for my brother. Whoa. Haha. La. Let's go, guys. Keep enjoying this vlog till the end. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Love is for free. Hey, people are passing with new machine here. But my dream car was Mazda. I'm telling you. Guys, I'm telling you, in future my dream car will be Mazda. I'm telling you the reality. Back to school. You see right there? That's some students. Telling you, right now it's back to school. Look. Back to school. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. We shall meet on the next video when we reach home, guys. Crowd Joseph's home, guys, right there, even up to here. So right now we decided to pass here, guys, maybe for the first time, and we normally use this as a shortcut going home. Whoa, there's some locks here, rocks. Look, guys, I'm passing. You see on that rocks, guys, look. Passing here. Imagine, guys, this is how we pass inside here. Whoa. It is what it is, guys. But this is a shortcut going home. There is a time I made a video with my dog passing here and there, you know. I was passing it with one day passing with my Bruno, guys. is a shortcut going back home. Imagine, guys, I'm telling you. So right now we're back home, man. After we use a shortcut. That's my grandma. Yeah? Mataka kwa nsupa angi vinto, mateta baba chamu. Man, hardworking mom. Mama, we are from Border Town right now. So we make shopping for 10 USD for today. By tomorrow, I'll make for us. So we have the shopping here. Yeah. So for only today, so we bought tomatoes, sardines, and I think he has the cooking oil in the house. But tomorrow, I will add more as I can. Big shopping, mama. I will make from Border Town. I came back with it at home. So you go and pack your things, bro. It's time to go. Because time is money. So guys, let me greet my grandma as we say goodbye. That's the men's con right there. You know, when you are leaving home, you must say goodbye to everyone according to family member, and you go. So maybe by tomorrow they will never see my brother at home. That's how we're going to say goodbye. That's my grandma right here. Coco, Migori. Hey guys, we are taking porridge, brown porridge here. Mkabitu na lata iskuri. Ebono sanku teber kwa heri. Guys, I'm telling my grandma my brother is leaving. So my brother is leaving. So he wanna say goodbye to her. Maybe mulisikana tena mwezi wa 4. Mwezi wa 4.
Ndio tutaonana.
Saya naenda.
Ishata biganga simu na tusalamia.
Okay. Aya. So guys, I escort my brother same time. We say goodbye in good way. You know? But it's emotional goodbye, but I will be back again to my home. Or we'll be back again home. Kai, come. Hey. So we pack this. Hey guys, we have the maize for my brother for cooking. Imagine. Imagine all this. I'm telling you. So today we'll go with maize and their bag, but tomorrow I'll make a videos for maybe for their shopping, guys. Yeah. Ekokote nongu tunande ne hebabo tatega asibali kegali kende. Basombe yonsu ihara. Ino. Hey. Ndaka matiri zote zikae pale juu. Siku nikifika ni kujenga. Ama hivi 5. Tawara atenko bohande.
Kana mindinga kaya kobo.
Kana no kubatura ya one way. Nitemanyire. Okay. Guys, sometimes it's crazy. According to our culture, when you're leaving home, your mother or your dad is supposed to take your bag outside and maybe they pray for you, like pray for you, safety journey and all stuff. Maybe for my premiere again, this video, it depends. You'll get longer video or a shorter video. It depends, guys. How maybe you could take this. Oh, I want to wear the jacket, guys. I'm telling you. This is your pan?
Nigere kare. Eni.
For making chapati. Hey, Mama, you prepare my brother enough. This is a pan, guys. For now, guys, let me wear the jacket because I might know the climate place. Don't mind, guys, please. That's how my house looks like. And I wear this jacket because it's somehow heavy. Oh my God. But all in well, for me, I wish my brother success. I wish my brother nothing but success in the future. Guys, I'm wearing my jacket. Don't mind, please. Maybe you say, oh, hello, baby. What's up? Right now. Oh, guys. So right now I'm just okay, and oh, let me drink water. I think there's some water here, guys. Oh man. So I finish up water, but let me finish this. That's how my house looks like, guys. Please don't mind, but we flow with vibe till the end. So it's around 3:30 p.m. That's my local time, and I was supposed to leave home right now because of time here and there. So they are praying inside there. So after the prayer ended, let me show you a little bit how the prayer ended, guys. You see? Guys, for me, no more highs. So they are praying for my brother before left home and all stuff. Maybe, guys, there's something maybe like oh guys, there's something maybe which is a private, I don't want maybe to put on a platform, but the public one, like prayers, eating, why not? And my family, they're a Roman Catholic Church, why not? Wow. So we have avocado. Nowadays avocado is doing good. Look. Even here. So guys, right now even let me say goodbye, my buds. For sure, guys, birds are here. Imagine that's the maybe advantage to stay in the village, guys. You have maybe birds making noise here and there, singing love song, you know. But it's a good thing maybe. For me, I'm keep waiting him. So guys, stay tuned. You will see maybe while I'm packing the luggage. So let's go, guys. It's time to go. Why don't you wear the jacket?
No, I'm okay.
You're okay. So Mama is holding the light. You cannot. Okay. So guys, it's according to our culture. Don't charge me wrong. Why don't you help your Mama? So she was the one who maybe taking for the first priority. My brother's going to say goodbye. That's how we fully outside. Bye. Bye. So Mama, okay. Migori kumuhira. Imagine, guys, if I could have maybe a car, I could pack everything bag, maize, shopping. But right now, we have the motorbike. Murata kilachi mura. Kende kia.
Toka kilala.
So my brother is coming with a motorbike, but he don't know how to ride a bike. Hata mimi stand yakate mura.
Nitakohaje tawiri.
Yeah, tutaranga mimi.
Tapi kimi ndio toran. Do like this. Natemke. Dia kwanza anse por hand. Okay.
Acha kufungwa. Acha tu.
We say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
There once, you know, I got there.
Okay. Kabo here kono.
Tatora mbobo. That's how we pack things, guys. Okay, come hold for me a camera. Touch me my hand. Okay. Guys, let me tie this luggage. Otego tere camera rungi mer non kanefu. Muri. Wacha. Alinganya. Tokeni hapo chini. Toka hapo.
Mama mzee ni mbaya huyu. Ona dada. Mtekere. Ndiye sasa.
Yo maru vitori chumbi otake bana vitori chumbi mbira ine. Imuso. Ni chinyanyo utache. Tori kogenda.
Kana kuyurum kama no mwana ba.
Nani ko kanyanda gamba su. Bana nenda inti kichinyanya.
So guys, it's time to go. I think we pack everything. But the bike is somehow too small, guys. Look how everything is here. So, hey. Guys, that's how we left the village.
Yeah.
That's my brother here. We have the luggage. I'm telling you, this bike is full of luggage and people. Let's go, guys. We say goodbye. Goodbye the village. Bye the village. Maybe meow back.
Yeah.
That's how we left, guys. We say goodbye the village. But me, I will be coming back. But for my brother, maybe we'll meet in April. Long holiday. We keep hitting the road, and finally I met my sister from school. Say bye to your brother.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye again.
Bye.
Bye.
Atarudi? You go home. Make sure that you told me.
I don't know.
So my brother want to give him some coin to buy maybe. Don't buy sweet. You go and buy mandazi or chips. No, sambusa. All right? You say upatu na don't buy sweets. Are not good for you. But you go. That's my sister, guys. You made it possible. Nowadays, they are putting smile on their face, guys. So let's go, guys. Let's go, my brother. So it's time to go. I was waiting this day, and finally it's a day by itself. Maybe like yesterday, people asked me, why do you escort the rest of your brother and sister, and you left your another brother at home? Tell them you are studying in university. You're supposed to go with the timetable, like opening timetable. Kids are coming from school, going back home. It's even right here. This is the school where my sister lands and my brother right now. Here. Look, some kids. Like some students, guys. Sorry for saying maybe kids. It's right here. Anyway, guys, stay tuned because of time. I need like to rush up to Migori. Probably tomorrow I'll visit my brother at its own pace. Let's go, guys! Whoa! We're fully outside. Oh, incredible story. That one there. Hey! It's time to left. Whoa. Mama. I'm telling you, this year is the year of success. Whoa. Bongo. And guys, in case you're new here, let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's vlog. But for me, I prefer special. Today is today, tomorrow is another day. Let's go. The truck is going to border town. Whoa! So this month is the month of dry season. The month of people to be broke, no money, no nothing. So you must struggle for yourself. Whoa, guys! Sorry for the windy. Woo! telling you, this is African school. So right now they are going home. We'll see some students. Wow. So keep in touch, keep it locked. These videos, it's all about positivity. And for in case you don't know my brother, he's just right there. His name was Ben, right? The name was Ben. Introduce. Yeah, I'm the firstborn, he was the secondborn. And our thirdborn was taller. The one that you see maybe first time escorting them to school. Yeah. So we keep Google the road. Until further notice. This is a small market center within here. So just like a local center. People buying stuff here and there. Like small salads, veggies and all stuff here. Oh man, let's do it guys. Let's do it. Guys, that being said earlier, this is the month like students report to school. Most of them join to school and the rest maybe get some transfer from one school to another. This only this month. And this month, if you're not carefully, it's the month of block. People, like for me, no money here, man. In our home, you know. So just like by God's grace, my brother and sister went to school. So let's do it. We have a small dam right there. So guys, finally right now we are in Migori, as you can see, and even the video can tell you right now we are in Migori town, but this is the entrance of Migori. All right. It's a nice town here. It serves the local people here and there, you know. So let's do it. Let's do it. Everywhere petrol station. Look, students right there. But don't worry, you will get the car right now, because most of the people that are traveling from one place to another maybe went to the job here and there, you know. Hey, let's go at our own pace, guys. This is Migori town for you. Okay guys, at the far end we have a school bus painting in yellow. Please guys, what are you waiting for? Subscribe! Not to 10K subscribers. I really appreciate. We have the tractor coming like crazy. Boom, boom, boom. See right there. Guys, may I wonder, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Not to tell you to subscribe. I really appreciate the love and support. So right now we are in Migori, that will say. We keep going. We keep rolling the camera at the angle of 360 degrees. You know? They're selling gates there, beds, metallic one. You can put in the comment section. Beds here, you know. Imagine guys, all the way from my village, I use the motorbike. This is Migori town for you guys. Today is quiet. I don't understand why. For you. We left our luggage, so I need you to have a juice as you go. Let's go. Time to take him to this special restaurant here. Let's go. Tawai kabisa. Tawai hivyo. Tawai kumahi karibu kona. This is a nice restaurant here, guys. We normally eat food here and there, so probably let's sit here. Let's sit here. We sit here. You see your luggage. We only take the juice, and that's the end, guys. This will go for you. See how it looks like. Look. Very clean. I think it is the second time to bring you. First time, guys, I was picking him from bus station and we sit right there. Leo tupe juice ya mango peke yake. Mbili. That's the waiter. So we need to take juice. Today no food, guys. I realize the more I eat food, people complaining here and there. You know?
Why?
I don't know. The more I eat food, I'm coming so fat. Yeah?
It's not because you're not doing some exercise.
So right now I'm deciding to do some exercise. Yes. So our motorbike is right there with a package right there. So there's no need maybe you're saying this. Actually the car, we'll book the car, we're waiting the car here. And this is here. So they pick you like pop and then you go. Okay.
You just ID what?
Tumemwambia wewe leta tu hata juice. Usiambie jamaa mrefu. Hai. And that's Kisimat's supermarket. This first tall building. There's a restaurant on the other side. Look, I'm telling you, Migori town are really developed. So guys, I'm sitting here, but my target was to look that stuff. You know I can jump here? Yeah, I can hold this metal jump. When maybe in any thing occur, like people start maybe taking your luggage right there, I can jump here.
It's too far.
It's not too far. You know, on the wall, you do like this. But that's incredible, so don't try. And guys are waiting 2 glasses of juice, and 1 juice goes to $1. Imagine, two glass, $3, and it's very, very organic, direct from the mango, no diluted, no anything, pure organic. What about pakadik? Right now the supermarket is full of students. Wow. So guys, as we wait the food, stay tuned. It's our juice here. Right, you enjoy. Because of time. Mango juice, guys. You take juice here. You watch your luggage there, right there. Guys, let's enjoy our juice. Kwani ni juice ni usikwendele pale sukari.
Yeah.
Sukari ngotora pale.
Na kera be harufu. Tokia kiko vindi to.
Yama. Rafiki yangu, ndio nikuulizie.
Tenda pale tayari.
Hii ni maembe yenyewe wanaweka sukari ndani.
Wameweka sukari?
Ndio nakuuliza. Inakuwa maembe pia ama wanaweka sukari ndani?
Wazangu sukari na kwanza pia.
Yes.
Sukari wanaweka kama unataka.
Asipendagi sukari. You see some trucks right there. What a beautiful day, guys. Yeah. Guys, me, I'm almost to finish right here. I'm already done. Oi! I'm calling the car. That's car, alright. Okay, you make the payment. No, not you guys. Sorry, good. How have you other two children? Because I look cool in it. But I'm the other two. Guys, it's time to go. We left this amazing, beautiful place. So let's go. Because of time. And heading this way. You want to be conscious. We say, God, thank you so much. You know, even to have a small time drinking juice is by God's grace. You know? So they are selling fish and all stuff are there. And this is the luggage here. See, guys. Guys, finally I thank God for the journey, and actually I'm back home with my baby, so it helped me a lot since morning up to now. And I wanna guys say thank you so much by keep maybe watching these videos. At the same time, you like, comment and share. So probably it's journey by itself, it's not a joke, and it's a serious. So all the way from my village, I escort my brother. And actually on tomorrow's videos, don't miss, guys. If you missed it on today's vlog, tomorrow don't miss. But tomorrow is another video by itself. So thank you so much for the love and support. So right now, maybe I want to tell my mama we reach safely, I'm back safe. So mom, hey, mama is not right here, guys. What am I going to do? But keep it locked. Mama is coming. So right now, hey Bruno, welcome to this world. Guys, stay tuned. Mama is in video scanning. Hey, what's that style? Come. Well, guys, more amazing videos coming from here, guys.